Hello my dear champions, I hope that you are doing so good. So yes, there was an important update put down in the KA website. We thought we'll tell it to you as well. It is regarding the first round schedule, so let's see it without further ado. So I hope that you have already done with the option entry. It was open until 4th of August 2024, 11:59 PM. That is, they are very adamant about the time. So it was until yesterday. I hope you are done with all the courses and the colleges you wanted to get into. You put all of them in the order of their preferences. Yeah. Now next thing that will be happening very soon is what? Publication of the first mock allotment results, and it will be starting on 7th of August 2024 after 2 PM. Now, what do you mean by mock allotment? First thing, so mock allotment is when you will be able to see a course and a college. It will be allotted to you, but can you guarantee that this particular course and college will be there like after all the rounds of allotment? No. It's just giving you a tentative idea that you may not get this particular course. Now, what is the use of it? The use of mock allotment is that you'll get an idea about, okay, fine, you got one particular college that is on the 6th rank. Now, you didn't want it that college. What can you do? You can change the option. That is a good thing about mock allotment. So, they give the mock allotment result. After that, they will be giving a window during which you can change the option entry. And this will be done by only the eligible candidates. What can they do? They can add, they can alter, they can rearrange or delete the options if needed. What is the window for this? It's from 9th of August 2024 to 11th of August 2024, 11:59 PM again. Now, one very important catch is there here. Okay, so until previous year, there was only one mock allotment. From this year, in this year, okay, you have two mock allotment. That is one major thing that I want to say. Second thing, why there is this thing happening? Because you know what, there are medical, dental and Ayush seats that will be available after this, because there was a NEET exam going on and you know the results got delayed. So basically, because of that, children who have not registered for the medical courses or the colleges that you want to get in Karnataka, you still have time. After the first publication of first mock allotment, there will be time for you to register it. How did I come to know about that? I'll show you one major point over here. So as you can see, I'll read it out for you. First mock seat allotment results will be published on 7th of August for the above courses, except what? Except medical, dental and Ayush. Okay, it won't be released for them. Now, portal will be enabled shortly for registration to the candidates who have not registered for medical, dental and Ayush courses. So after that, it will be shortly available for all the medical people who have not yet applied here. You can still go and register for Karnataka colleges as well as courses. Right now, however, if the candidates have already registered, what do they need to do? They need to enter the UGNEET 2024 roll number in the application portal. So I'll just repeat, I'll just sum up. First mock allotment will be for engineering children and everyone. Okay, engineering children and the other children can obviously change your options. You can modify the options, but it is not for medical people. Okay, they do not have the chance to rearrange. Obviously, they have not put up the options as of now. Now, during this phase, the children who have not registered for medical courses, you can register. Okay, and for you, there will be another mock allotment along with the engineering students as well. So this time, the engineering and the architecture, yoga and all of them, they will have two, mock allotment. The second mock allotment is actually for dental people, but obviously since you guys are also there, you will be also included. Okay, now fine. Fifth one, what is it? Publication of the second mock allotment results. So over here you change the options, everyone, okay, every one of you except the medical people, they changed the options and they did everything, right? Now there will be a second mock allotment result according to what you changed, and it will be published on 14th of August 2024. Fine. Now we go ahead, let's see what's happening next. Over here, if you see, again there will be a provision to change option entry by eligible candidates. That is, they can add, again alter, rearrange, delete the option, but this time it will be for everyone regardless of them being in the medical field or in the engineering field or the architecture field. So everyone can rearrange your options during the last phase, that is of mock allotment, which is the 6th point. Over here you see the timing is from 14th August 2024 and it goes up to 18th August 2024. Now children, you should be very well aware of this thing, that is mock allotment is important. This gives you a clear-cut idea of what you may or may not get. So still there is a chance to change the options. What you can do about it? You can take a piece of paper, write the options that you think you missed in the time when you were entering the options. Write it, okay, compare it with other colleges and courses, paste it in your room, and next time the mock allotment results come, or basically the chance comes to change the options, use that reference and correct it there itself. Okay, that is the major use of this thing. So use your opportunities very wisely. Okay, you still have time, so do not be panicked about anything. So children who have messed up in the option entry, you still have time, but remember, this time is the final time. You do not have any more time. So on 18th of August will be the last day for all your option entry stuff that is happening, okay, and it will be the time where you can change everything. Now last but not the least, the publication of the first round allotment. This is the one where you cannot do anything, right? The first round allotment will be done on 21st of August 2024. I hope that is also clear. So that's all, children. If you have any more doubts, you can obviously put down in the comment section, and I hope that you are doing so well and you're not panicked about anything. Please don't be panicked. Everything is going to happen so nicely, okay? So bye-bye. Take care.